Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 102, Discard. This is another lateral thinking puzzle that I've prepared for you. Thank you for the great feedback you've been giving me. I wonder how you'll go with this one. Good luck with it. You buy me when I'm black. I turn red when you use me. When I am grey, you discard me. What am I? A clue will be given on the next slide. So please persist with this, because it'll be very satisfying if you happen to solve it. And in 2 minutes' time, I'll give you a clue which will definitely help you. Good luck with it for the next few minutes as you think about it. Okay, I wonder how you've gone. Here is the clue that I've promised you, and if you haven't solved it already, this clue will definitely help you. You buy me when I'm black. I turn red when you use me. When I am grey, you discard me. What am I? The clue is I am made up of small pieces. The answer is on the next slide. So in about 1 minute's time, I will give you the answer. Good luck with it. I hope the clue helps you. Okay, as promised, here comes the answer. I hope you solved that, and if you have, congratulations. Here we go. You buy me when I'm black. I turn red when you use me. When I am grey, you discard me. What am I? And the answer is charcoal. So if you think of those different stages, that is definitely a very tricky little question because of all those colours involved. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide, and we'll go there right now.